Hello. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my digital art prints using Canva. So for this video, we're going to need a design. This can be something that you've drawn, something that you've painted, or even a picture that you've taken. So anything really. For the purpose of this video, I have this lady right here that I've drawn. And disclaimer, please don't judge me. This is not an art tutorial, drawing tutorial, so I don't have the art skills necessary for this drawing, but I will just sketch something really quickly just for the purpose of this video. So please, I don't want any bad comments about this drawing. So once you have your design ready, all you need to do is just scan it through a scanner if you have it already at your home, or you can use an app that is on your mobile phone to easily scan it. It's very quick. For the purpose of this video and also to show you how to scan it through your mobile phone, I chose to scan it with my phone. So I will be using a mobile app called CS Scanner. Any app would actually work. You don't need to get that specific one. Just go to App Store or Google Store and type in scanner and just download whatever comes up first, and it would work pretty much the same. All right, so I'll just go on my phone and, like I said, I'll go to the scanning app. So once you're on the app, make sure you center it nicely and then press to scan. Also make sure you save it as JPEG because you want it in the picture format. So go ahead and find the share option, scroll down and hit save image. Now it's saved in your photos, and I will go now and airdrop it to my laptop and save it there. Okay, so now I'm here on my laptop. I just airdropped my design. As you can see, it has this white background here, which I don't want. I want it to be a transparent background, so I want to erase this background. And to do so, I will quickly open up this magic marker here and get this tool, and I'm gonna erase everything that's in white in the background and convert it to PNG. Also, if you have Canva Pro, you can easily do this with the remove background option, so you don't have to go through this, but this is actually pretty easy. If you have a Mac, you can also use this option. So as you can see, I've deleted the background, and let's give her a name. So let's go to Canva now, and once we're on the Canva page, let's search poster in the search bar up here and hit search. Then you'll get a blank poster. You can use the menu on your left to find the Uploads tab, and there you can drag and drop your design or browse through the computer. I'll simply drag and drop it on the design and it will appear on our canvas. Now I'll adjust the size and placement of this design. You can play around with it until you find the correct position and size depending on what you have. So now I'll try to add some Canva elements like blobs or abstract images. So let's go ahead and go to the Elements tab. I'll search for a blob. And I'll use these images to bring out the design even more. But you can also leave it as it is because it's already pretty, it's already art. So you can go ahead and search which elements here that you like. So let's see, I'll try this. And maybe a couple more. Let's take some more and let's see, let's work around. Maybe I can do it black and white or add some different colors. I'm not sure. I think I'll try different versions. Maybe let's try one with this purple and grayish colors. You can change the size and color of the elements as well, and you can also change the transparency. I like to make these blob elements more transparent because it seems more fluid in the design. I would like to actually increase the transparency of these elements so that it will connect better. Also, I want them a little more subtle, so it will be that way if I use transparency. So I think it's fine like this, but I'm gonna try another one. So let me go ahead and play around with this one as well, because I didn't really like the first one. So let's see if I can come up with something better. What I'm gonna do now is that I need to export it. So I'm gonna come up here on share and hit download to export my design. And one last thing, make sure you upload a high quality image of your design in the first place. So make sure you scan it correctly and under correct light with the correct app. And also for your printout to be successful, make sure you download it with high quality also in Canva after you're finished with your design. Then after you're done with all the settings in the download menu, you can just go ahead and hit download. Then you can use your favorite local print shop or other online print-on-demand platforms to print it, or you could sell them through online platforms and monetize something that you actually enjoy doing, which is pretty cool. Alright, so this is how I make my art prints using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any comments or anything you want to know more about this, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.